So let's talk about governance within IT asset management. Governance is how you apply your standards and procedures across the organization from a product perspective. Without having a product catalog, your organization can and likely will request and order anything and everything. And that's a difficult position for an IT organization to be in. It's very difficult to support items that way. And having a product catalog, a standard defined catalog, solves that problem. It limits those choices to just those items that are that you've determined support the standards and procedures of your organization, and those are the items that you have agreed to support, you have trained to support on from both an order perspective and a management perspective, and so in that way you're governing those items, those type of requests. Now, Ivanti does a great job of sort of giving you a Rubik's Cube view of your products, of any of their data within the system. Here we're looking at the product catalog item, a Dell PowerEdge R430. You can see the attributes you would expect, who is its manufacturer, model number, its size, color, and those type of things. But also who's going to support this item, what team and team member supports this item within your organization. What are its costs from a budgetary or ITFM perspective as well. So you're going to be able to capture all of that information. But from an asset management perspective or a stock management perspective, you're also going to understand what is a replacement model, be able to define a useful life for that catalog item so that you know when it's going to need to be replaced and what it can be replaced with. You're going to be able to define a reorder points and quantities, and this is where you are able to tell the system, once we hit this number in stock, then we want to order at least this number. And we have standard reports to help provide that information out in a timely basis. So speaking about that Rubik's Cube view of your catalog item, we can also see all of this particular item that we have in our environment from both an on order, in stock, and already assigned perspectives. All of those are available right here. Now, maybe you just need to see what's in stock, and so from here I'm able to see from my different storage locations what items are available and could use my go-to button to jump right over to those items. Active orders. So again, all perspectives about this particular catalog item. We're able to see what orders are out and open for this particular item and can navigate to those easily through the links. Organizational units allow you to really hone in on which groups, which business units within your organization are actually able to request and utilize any particular catalog item. So it really allows you to really tailor your catalog to within your organization. You don't have to have everything available to everybody. You're able to create those limits so that you're able to stay within budgetary constraints easily. Approved vendors. Who is available? Who can we purchase this product from? So you've got that information right at your fingertips and a go-to button to easily jump to those. Suggested alternatives. So sometimes a particular item might not be available, and you're going to want to know what items are suggested as being possible alternatives for this item. And that's very helpful for keeping the request process smooth and delivering in a timely fashion the type of service that your customers are going to expect. And as with all other Ivanti business objects, you see here we've got a place to store journal and attachments as well, so that we can manage the communication, manage notes around any particular catalog item, as well as attachments like a PDF, a URL, a Visio diagram, or something like that. And that concludes how we can manage governance within and compliance within IT asset management.